All right, in this lesson we'll learn how to apply double-sided tape to a skin hair system base and properly secure it to the scalp. Tape is a popular attachment method because it's quick, clean, and provides a strong hold for daily wear. However, it's important to note that ultra-thin skin systems should not be taped, as the adhesive can damage the delicate base. This method works best for standard or thicker skin systems, providing a natural, comfortable fit. Step 1. Prepare the base. Place your skin hair system on a flat surface or a mannequin head with the underside facing up. Ensure both your scalp and the bases are thoroughly clean, dry, and free from oils or residue. If needed, use at least 70% alcohol to wipe the underside of the base. This helps the tape stick properly. You can just wait for this to dry, or you can blow dry it to dry it a little quicker. Double check that the base is the required size for the attachment surface area. Make any adjustments if necessary. Use double-sided tape made specifically for hair systems, and make sure to check the compatibility of the tapes in our lesson called Tapes. All right, you can start by cutting small strips that fit neatly around the perimeter of the base. For a natural look, you could also use contour-shaped tape pieces. All right, we're gonna start in the back here and just get the tape as close to the edge as you can. Quick firm press. And then pull off the paper backing. When you're cutting the tape, you want to make sure to use titanium non-stick scissors as well. They work much better for cutting tape. Every time you stick a new piece, you're going to want to overlap just a little bit on the previous piece. Now make sure there are no gaps in between the tapes. You can overlap the tape if needed. For added security, you can also place a few strips in the center top area, right along there. This helps keep the system from shifting or making unwanted sounds when touching or pressed. Also, smooth each piece down to avoid air bubbles or lifting. Here's a little pro tip for you. To avoid having the tape stick to your fingers, use the backings of the tape to press down if needed. Step 4, positioning the system. Because you're starting for the first time, we recommend using the Just Right positioning spray to buy you some time before attaching the hair system. Start by aligning the front hairline with the mark you made earlier, 4-finger rule or measured line. Gently lay the hair system down, beginning in the front and moving toward the back. As long as the Just Right positioning spray is active, you can still make adjustments. If you don't have the spray and need to correct a placement error, apply alcohol to the adhesive area that requires repositioning before securing it in place. Step 5. Secure and smooth. Once the base is in place, press firmly around the edges to activate the adhesive bond. Use the back of a comb or your fingers to smooth out any wrinkles. Double check that there are no gaps or lifted areas. Your skin base should now be securely attached with tape, flat, comfortable, and natural looking. For more detailed instructions on attaching the hair system, please see the installation lesson.